Hi everyone, welcome to Lispend Campus. Common daily phrases, perfect for beginners stepping into English. We'll practice simple sentences, break down keywords, and learn through listening, all in English. 101. I'm feeling much better. Key phrase, feeling much better. Saying that you're recovering or no longer feeling unwell. 102. Can I have a moment? Key phrase, have a moment. Asking for a short period of time to talk or think. 103. I didn't mean it. Key phrase, didn't mean it. Apologizing or explaining that you did not intend something. 104. That's not what I meant. Key phrase, not what I meant. Saying that something was misunderstood or not what you intended. 105. I think you're right. Key phrase, you're right. Agreeing with someone's opinion or statement. 106. It's worth a try. Key phrase, worth a try. Suggesting that an action or attempt is a good idea, even if uncertain. 107. That's enough for now. Key phrase, enough for now. Saying that you've had enough of something, or you should stop for the moment. 108. What's going on here? Key phrase, going on here. Asking for an explanation or details about an event or situation. 109. I'm out of here. Key phrase, out of here. Saying that you are leaving a place. 110. I didn't catch that. Key phrase, didn't catch that. Saying that you didn't hear or understand something. 111. I'll pass on that. Key phrase, pass on. Politely declining or choosing not to participate in something. 112. What are you up to today? Key phrase, up to today. Asking someone about their plans or activities for the day. 113. That's a bit much. Key phrase, a bit much. Saying that something is too extreme, exaggerated, or excessive. 114. Are you serious? Key phrase, are you serious? Asking if someone is being honest or not joking. 115. I'm really into this. Key phrase, really into. Saying that you are very interested or passionate about something. 116. I can't believe it. Key phrase, can't believe it. Expressing surprise or shock about something unexpected. 117. I'll take care of it. Key phrase, take care of it. saying that you will manage or solve a problem or task. 118. Let's call it a day. Key phrase, call it a day. Saying that you are finishing work or activities for the day. 119. I have to run. Key phrase, have to run. Saying that you need to leave quickly or hurry. 120. I've been meaning to ask you. Key phrase, been meaning to ask. Telling someone you've had the intention to ask something for a while. 121. That sounds like a plan. Key phrase, sounds like a plan. Agreeing to a suggestion or idea and expressing excitement about it. 122. I've got your back. Key phrase, got your back. Saying that you will support or help someone. 123. I'm not in the mood. Key phrase, not in the mood. Saying that you're not feeling like doing something at the moment. 124. That's not the point. Key phrase, not the point. Saying that the current issue or focus is not the most important matter. 125. I'll go with you. Key phrase, go with you. Saying that you will accompany someone to a place or event. 126. I'm not sure about that. Key phrase, not sure about. Saying that you are uncertain or don't know about something. 127. I need some time. Key phrase, need some time. Saying that you require a period of time to think, prepare, or relax. 128. I'll let you know. Key phrase, let you know. Saying that you will inform someone of something later. 129. I've never seen anything like it. Key phrase, never seen. Expressing amazement or surprise at something new or unusual. 130. Don't take it personally. Key phrase, take it personally. Asking someone not to be offended by something that wasn't meant to hurt them. 131. I'm so over this. Key phrase, so over this. Saying that you are tired of something or no longer care about it. 132. I'm just kidding. Key phrase, just kidding. Telling someone you were joking or not being serious. 133. It's been a long day. Key phrase, long day. Saying that the day has been tiring or stressful. 134. I'll see you later. Key phrase, see you later. Saying goodbye to someone with the expectation of meeting again soon. 135. That's enough for me. Key phrase, enough for me. Saying that something is sufficient or satisfactory for your needs. 136. I don't mind. Key phrase, don't mind. Saying that you are okay with whatever decision or situation. 137. Let me check. Key phrase, check. Saying that you will confirm or verify something. 138. You're welcome. Key phrase, you're welcome. A polite response after someone says, thank you. 139. It's not a big deal. Key phrase, not a big deal. Saying that something is not important or serious. 140. I'm up for it. Key phrase, up for it. Saying that you are willing or excited to do something. 141. I'll give it a shot. Key phrase, give it a shot. Saying that you will try something even if you're not sure about it. 142. You got this. Key phrase, got this. Offering encouragement, telling someone they can succeed. 143. Let's get started. Key phrase, get started. Saying that it's time to begin something. 144. I'm running late. Key phrase, running late. Saying that you are behind schedule and will arrive later than expected. 145. That works for me. Key phrase, works for me. Saying that a plan or suggestion is acceptable or suitable for you. 146. I'll be back in a minute. Key phrase, be back in a minute. Saying that you will return very soon. 147. I have no idea. Key phrase, no idea. Saying that you don't know something. 148. I think I'll pass. Key phrase, I'll pass. Saying that you prefer not to do or accept something. 149. I'm not in a hurry. Key phrase, not in a hurry. Saying that you don't need to rush or are not pressed for time. 150. I need to rest. Key phrase, need to rest. Saying that you require time to relax or sleep. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others. Keep practicing, and see you next time. Thanks for watching.
The rhythm sways, the time feels new. Dancing slow, it's blue. Late night streets, the world unwinds. A clock that ticks in offbeat time. Shadows stretch, the moonlight's hue. We find ourselves at blue. Blue, the rhythm's right, cool and calm, deep in the night. Every step's a story true. We move in sync at blue. Echoes dance, the whispers glide, a melody that time can't hide. Each passing note feels but anew. It lingers soft at blue. Music flows, it bends, it sways, a quiet love in